This video will show you how Chime for Lync can integrate with Salesforce. We're going to start a chat from the web client, and before this chat even routes to the live agent, a pre-conversation virtual agent is going to look up the seeker's email in Salesforce. If it finds an existing contact, it's going to send that URL to the expert as a new tab in their context window extension. What this allows the expert to do is to see other pieces of information, be up to date on what the seeker's interaction with the company has been, and just have better knowledge about who they're dealing with. Now, the developer has chosen to have the pre-conversation virtual agent also grab some information and expose it to the Chime context window extension. So under metadata, there are some new fields that the pre-conversation virtual agent has grabbed from Salesforce and is exposing here. This is account ID, description, mailing city, mailing state, phone number, and even title. Now we hope the expert would still interact with the context window extension and the seeker in the same way. They can send standard replies, upload files. The seeker can add comments and ratings from their web client, and the expert can add comments and resolve the ticket from their context window extension. And we expose all of this data that accrues over the session to the virtual agent so that they can take this data and integrate it with an external system. So our expert is going to resolve the session, add one more comment, and then they're going to part ways. And we'll see what the post-conversation virtual agent does to integrate with Salesforce. So the seeker is left, and right from the second tab, the expert can just refresh the page and see what the post-conversation virtual agent has done. And you'll see a new comment has been added. This has all of the session data that we just talked about. You can see whether the session was resolved or not. You can see the seeker data. You can see the expert's name, the queue's name. You can even see the chat messages that went back and forth between the seeker and data. This allows you to bookkeep and have a record of all of the interactions that happened with the system. And we think it's a really useful way to integrate with Salesforce. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful.